In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track USPS certified mail. If you've sent or are expecting certified mail, tracking it online is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through exactly what to do and what each status means so there's no guesswork. First, you'll need the certified mail tracking number. This is the long numeric code printed on your receipt or mailing label. You can find it on the PS Form 3817 receipt you get at the counter, on the PS Form 3800 certified mail label that's attached to the envelope, or in the shipping confirmation email if you purchased your label online. Now open your browser and go to the official USPS tracking page at tools.usps.com/go/track-confirm-action_input. This is the USPS website where all tracking updates are posted. Once you're there, look for the tracking box on the page. Type your certified mail tracking number into that box. Certified mail tracking numbers are usually 20 to 22 digits long. Many begin with 9,407, and some commercial certified mail services may start with 9,589. Don't worry if yours looks slightly different. The format can vary a bit while still being valid. After you've entered the number, click Track. You'll now see the latest status for your mail piece. Here are the common updates you might encounter and what they mean. Accepted indicates USPS has received your mail piece at a facility. In transit means it's moving through the USPS network from one location to another. Arrived at unit tells you it has reached the destination post office that serves the recipient. Out for delivery means a carrier has it and is attempting delivery that day. Delivered confirms the item was delivered, often with a note that it was received or signed for. If you see notice left, delivery was attempted but no one was available to sign, and instructions are usually provided for redelivery or pickup. Certified mail always includes delivery tracking and confirmation. If you purchased an additional service like a return receipt, you may also receive proof of the recipient's signature as part of your records. If you're the recipient, there's another helpful option: USPS Informed Delivery. By using Informed Delivery, you can view incoming mail pieces and packages associated with your address, which can include certified mail. One final tip if tracking seems slow to update: it's common for some certified mail items to receive only a few scans. The online status may appear stuck in transit and then jump straight to delivered or delivered with signature. That doesn't mean it's lost. Often it's still progressing as expected. And that's it. Open the USPS tracking page, enter your certified mail tracking number, review the status, and use Informed Delivery if you're the recipient. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.